Boutique. I am Princess Aphrodite, and today we are creating a unique fruit fashion look for Elsa. We are designing a gorgeous grape gown, a sparkling purse, and green princess heels. Look at this sweet masterpiece. Ooh, yeah!
Drawing. First, let's sketch the elegant top with small green straps and a beautiful bunch of grapes right in the middle. Now, look at this skirt. We draw unique rounded layers that look like sweet, juicy grapes cascading down. 1, 2, 3, 4 fluffy layers. Let's sketch the sweet accessories. A purple handbag with a golden handle and green leaves on top. And look at these high heels. They have a big diamond buckle and tiny grapes on the front. So elegant. Coloring. Time to purple. Bring the magic colors to life. Green. We use soft lavender, deep royal purple, and clean white for the layers. Purple. Lilac. Purple. White. Let's activate the princess glow. 1, 2, 3, wow! Look at all those shiny gems and stars sparkling on the dress. It's absolutely stunning. Dress up.
Are you ready for the best part, girls? Let's use our sweet fashion magic. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness! Look at Elsa. She is wearing the real grape gown with shiny crystals and soft velvet layers. The matching purse and green shoes look so perfect on her. Elsa is the prettiest grape princess today. Thank you for drawing and playing Dress Up with me, girls. Click on the next video right now to unlock more magical princess stories on our channel. See you there. Bye-bye.